Am I the only one that didn't know how powerful positivity could be? Well, buckle up, because this is life-changing. Positivity isn't just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle. When you focus on the good, magical things start to happen. It's all about manifestation. Think happy thoughts and you'll attract happy outcomes. It sounds simple, right? But it works. Faith is your secret weapon. Believe in your dreams, and they become your reality. Trust that the universe is on your side. It's about having faith in the journey, even when the road gets bumpy. Every positive thought is like a little seed. Plant it, nurture it, and watch it grow. Surround yourself with positivity, and your life will blossom. So start today. Fill your mind with positive vibes and have faith in your dreams. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Stay positive, stay hopeful, and watch your life transform. You've got this.